Oh, it's very hot in there. Look at the kids. They are swimming in there. I think there's few kids playing in there. Super hot. Oh, ang init. It's perfect, baby, for you to go to the swimming pool. Oh, we can get our spot.
Is Daddy coming to
Yeah, Daddy's going with you.
Is Daddy gonna play with us soon?
Yeah. Super duper hot. Garo mang init. Are we okay in here? Wala tayong maupuan.
Here.
Okay, okay na. Dito na lang.
Here, bring your little toy.
And here.
Hey, wait!
Ibigay mo lang yung...
Daddy!
There's a ring here.
Daddy,
So, I'm the one who gonna bantay-bantay here. Okay. Daddy, dito sa may lilim, oh. Sa may lilim. Yung sleeper nila, oh. Palipatan na dad dyan sa may liliman dyan, sa may umbrella. Dad, si Hana, ayun na. Good. Doon na kayo sa mainit. You can go to the other side, ate. Just come here na. Kasi mainit kaya. Doon sa kanto.
Nandun si mga chinilas.
It's okay. Kung dito sana daddy yung gamit. Dito kayo sa may lilim. Dad, yung mga anak mo. Peg-diyon mo sinda daddy para di ka mainitan.
Malipas ka ng tubig.
Kaya nga ikaw dito ka. It's cold, baby? Oo. Akin na. Baka maglublog ka na dyan. Dapat pala dinala na dito yung ano. Ah? You can sit down in there, ate.